Hi guys, my name is Sheikh Imran and I'm back with the new sessions today. I hope you all remember in the previous sessions I have taught you how to pass or how to generate or how to create sell invoice. So in today's I'm going to teach you how to post purchase entry or purchase bill which you receive from your sundry creators or which you receive from your parties. So let's take example that I have bought. Let's go to a tally. Let's take an example that I have bought few items of mobiles from my sundry creators or from my parties to my companies or to my showroom as a stock for the selling process. So how will pass that purchase bill or post that purchase bill in my company's data? So let's have a look with the steps. This is my company already open Aman Agencies, and here you can see all the gateway of tallies options are there. Now you have to come to the same process accounting vouchers. See, the purchase bill is already appears on my screen. If it's not open, then you will have to open from here by pressing purchase options. Here you can see the purchase options there. You can click on purchase. Now the purchase bill has appeared. So suppose I have bought some items of mobiles for my showroom to fill the stock for selling process. So let's take example that party's bill number was 00036 and the name of the party, I'm taking my example of syndicators, Reliance. I have purchased the goods from Reliance. Then I'm coming down, India, West Bengal is okay. Yeah, purchase ledger. See, in the previous sessions I have taught you that in the sales ledger we have to select sales account. So likewise in the purchase ledger we have to select purchase account. So it's already created, so I don't have to create again. See, it's already created purchase. Tax classification, so you have to take not applicable because I'm not dealing with tax now. Later on I'll teach you how to create bill with including or imposing tax. So name of the item. Suppose let's take example, my item is already created, so I don't have to create any again and anymore. So suppose I'm buying some items from the Reliance, some mobiles named as Vivo. Yeah, Vivo and name 50. I bought 50 pieces. Rate is 17,500. This time I bought in a cheaper rate, maybe 16,000. So total amount is coming as 2,40,000. Then coming down, again name of the item appears. If you are buying more than one item, you can add all the items here. So suppose I am buying another more item Samsung mobile also from the same company, 10 pieces, 13,500. This time they have given me a discount of 500, so 13,000. So 1,30,000. Now you can go down. See, I don't have any item to buy in, so I'll just press enter here. Come down, then select end of list from here because tax is not applicable on this bill. So select end of list, and now just press enter and accept. So this is how you have to, or you're going to pass purchase bill transactions in your company's data. Now come back with the escape button on your keyboard, fully back, and the gateway of tally. Come to display to see the entry you have passed. Display, then day book. And you can see at last, in the last, you have passed this entry. Reliance. The Reliance is the sundry creator of the company, or party of the company who supplies goods to your company. So if I have wished to open this voucher, I just need to press enter. See, this is the voucher you have passed just now. So this is how we pass purchase entry or post purchase transactions in our company's data of that syndicator on behalf of that syndicator. Thank you very much. I hope you all will practice with this personally, and this will work out. And you, if you have any queries or doubt, you can surely contact me on my YouTube channels. I'll be there always to help you and cooperate you with this. Thank you very much. Stay blessed and stay safe.